Well, hello everyone, and welcome to another edition of Talking Bullion. Well, today I'm going to show you another deal I found on the Letgo app. The app I use to find local deals. Between that and OfferUp, I seem to be able to find something every once in a while. So this was the guy I found. Initially he said he had some Mercury dimes. He wanted quite a bit for them, and I made him an offer, and he said, nope, got to get more than that for him. I said, that's fine, appreciate you getting back to me. A little bit later in the day, he sent me a message through the app and said, hey, would you be interested in a roll of Roosevelt dimes for that price? I said, sure, I'll get it for that price, because it was just a little bit below spot. So then I said, well, what else do you have? And he said he had some more dimes and some halves, so we struck a deal for a couple rolls of dimes, 15 halves, a little bit below spot. So that was cool. Went and picked it up. And while I was talking to him, he explained to me that his father had a bunch of old silver coins he was getting rid of. I said, well, why don't you put together a package deal for me, and depending on the price, I'll pick some up from you. And so he did. He got a hold of me the next day, said he put together another package deal, and I went and picked that up as well. Let me show you what I got. Well, here we go. This is what I picked up. This was a fantastic deal. I was able to get all this silver for $1 under spot. So this works out to $50.60 face value. And as you can see, it's all dimes and half dollars. Quite a few Mercs in there. And of course the Rosies. Then we have Walking Liberty, 50 cent. I think there's a couple of them in there. And then mostly Franklin's. So this was really, really a fantastic deal. And so it worked out to, let me see, $30 in dimes, then another $3.10 because he reached in his pocket and said he had a few more, and I bought what he had left on him the first time. And then the first time I bought 15 half dollars, and then I bought 20 the next time. So I got a total of 331 dimes and 35 half dollars. The first time I went, I bought 100 dimes off him, and then he dug in his pocket and said he had 31 more, so I went ahead and picked those up. And then on the package deal he worked out for me, he sold me 200 more dimes and 20 half dollars. So that works out to $50.60. And if we do the math on that, that works out to just over 36 ounces of silver. So $50.60 face value is 36.17 ounces of silver. So this was a phenomenal deal. I mean, $1 below spot to get all this great constitutional / 90% / junk silver. I'm thrilled with this deal. This really helps to add to my collection and add to my dime box and my half dollar box, which if you've watched my previous videos, you know I don't really like to buy half dollars because of the premiums. Half dollars almost always come with a premium. So to get them below spot is really fantastic, just a fantastic deal. But as you can see, there's no quarters in here, and I would really like to get my quarter box filled up. I asked him if he had any quarters, and he said he did, and he'd take a look at what he could put together for me and get a hold of me, and of course, obviously, gotta watch the budget here. But I'd be interested in seeing, I mean, if he's going to sell it below spot, $1 or so below spot, then chances are pretty good I'd be interested in it. So what do you guys think? Pretty nice collection, huh? Got some really good stuff. Got it for a really good deal. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take it all, roll it up, get it into its boxes, and maybe I'll do a box video showing where I'm at with my second box of dimes and where I'm at with my half dollars. I don't think I've ever shown my box of half dollars because I don't think there's that many in there, maybe 5 or 6 rolls. But all we can do is continue to work on it. So this was a pretty cool score, and again, I'd like to encourage everybody to use those apps. I know a lot of times you find that they're asking way too much. And again, this guy, in my opinion, wanted way too much for the roll of Mercuries. Now, I know that Mercuries, tend to sell with premiums. It's just I don't really want to pay the premiums because not only is it usually above spot, but Mercuries tend to have a little bit less silver in them too. Not bad to buy because they're good for resale value. People like to buy them. People are willing to pay higher prices for them. But honestly, if I had to choose between a roll of Mercs and a roll of Rosies, I'd pick up the Rosies. They're usually in really good shape, and at least better than the Mercuries. So that's it for now. I appreciate you guys watching, and give me any comments you may have below on what you think. And again, keep using Letgo, keep using OfferUp, and I look forward to seeing some of your videos and some of the stuff that you're able to pick up. Take care. So thank you for watching. I really appreciate it. And if you haven't subscribed yet, why don't you go ahead and do that now. Just go ahead and click on the subscribe button. And also, check out these video recommendations that I popped up for you. Got some great content in there. Go ahead and click on them and check them out. And always remember, let's keep talking bullion.